Zone, we have touchdown. I repeat, DDL, FRC has touchdown.
And touchdown of the OSIRIS-REx sample return capsule.
A journey of 1 billion miles to a far-off asteroid and back has come to an end, promising to give us a glimpse into our ancient past and possibly help defend the planet. And Canadian scientists help make it happen.
Unofficial touchdown time, 8:52 a.m.
5 Canadian scientists were part of a NASA-led mission that launched in 2016 to collect a sample from the surface of an asteroid named Bennu. On Sunday, that sample was successfully returned, touching down in Utah, then immediately retrieved and preserved. A portion of that sample will eventually head back to Canada for study.
We're like kids waiting for Christmas.
The Canadian Space Agency telling us Canada also contributed a laser altimeter to the mission.
It works by sending a laser to the surface of Bennu, and the lasers comes back, and then the time it takes to the laser to travel is transformed into distances. And it allowed to make a map of the Bennu asteroid, part of the data that were used to actually select the collection sites.
It's technology developed here at York University. Elena Hyde, Observatory Director, taking us face-to-face with a telescope actually capable of seeing Bennu.
So if you lean over, you can see the telescope. This is the observatory. Let me turn on some lights. So this is our control room here. This is our 1-meter telescope. It was put in 2019, but the light hits this gigantic mirror and then it bounces up to this smaller mirror here. And the smaller mirror then bounces it again one more time through this baffle. Looking at what's in Bennu and how much water it has, what kinds of rocks it has, will actually tell us how planets are formed. So we want to know about it for a lot of reasons, actually.
One of the other reasons, in theory, Bennu, one day in hundreds of years, might be something that could collide with Earth. A risk of about 0.01%, low but high compared to other similar objects.
So we'd want to know about it, characterize it, and learn more about what we can do to potentially stop something like that.
It's a slight light chance, but really the reason for selecting Bennu, it's really because we think it represents a piece of the cloud that formed when the early solar system formed.
This is the first asteroid sample return mission in which Canada has participated. At York University, David Zura, City News.